Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make secret message link on Facebook profile. So let's get started. With a secret message link, anyone can send you anonymous messages without revealing their identity. When you add a secret message link, anyone can send you message with the abusive or offensive language and there is no way to find out who sent you such messages. I am just creating this video for information purpose, so you should think twice before adding such secret message link on your Facebook profile. First open mobile browser and go to secretm.me website. Please note that this is a third-party website and Facebook has nothing to do with this website. On the website homepage, enter your name. You can even enter any random name, so there is no need to enter your actual name. Once done, accept the privacy policy and click on Create Your Link button. Your account will be created and you will get your user ID and PIN. Just note down these details as these details cannot be retrieved back, and if you forget these details, then you need to create a new account. At the bottom, you will get a secret link. Just tap on Click to Copy button and the link will be copied. Now we are going to paste this link on the Facebook profile. To do that, open Facebook app. Now go to your profile by clicking on your profile image. Now tap on Edit Profile button. Scroll down and you will find an option to add links. Tap on Add button. On the next screen, tap on Add Website button. In the website address field, paste the link that we just copied. Here you can set the privacy by setting who can see these links. Whether you want to show the link to public, friends or only me. It's recommended to keep this option to friends as you can minimize the chances of getting any abusive messages. Once done, tap on Save button. Now when someone click on the link from your profile, he will be redirected to secretm.me website where he or she can write a message and send it to you. In case if you want to delete the account, then first remove the link from your Facebook profile. Then access your secretm account by using your user ID and PIN. Go to your inbox page and from here go to settings. And then you can delete your account. Please note that the secretm is a third-party website and Facebook has nothing to do with this website. I am just creating this video for information purpose, so you should think twice before adding such secret message link on Facebook profile. So that was all about how to make secret message link on Facebook profile. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.